During World War II, a new class of vessel emerged from American shipyards, the Liberty ship. Built quickly and in large numbers, these ships became essential to the Allied war effort, transporting supplies, equipment, and troops across the ocean. Designed by the U.S. Maritime Commission, Liberty ships were created as an answer to heavy merchant ship losses from German U-boat attacks. To meet the growing demand, the U.S. relied on a streamlined, mass production process. Between 1941 and 1945, over 2,700 Liberty ships were constructed, a significant industrial achievement at the time. Production was efficient. At the Kaiser shipyards, one ship, the SS Robert E. Peary, was built in just 4 days, 15 hours, and 29 minutes. Techniques like prefabricated parts and welded construction replaced traditional riveting, allowing faster assembly. These methods exemplified the push for efficiency and scale during wartime. Liberty ships were sometimes called ugly ducklings due to their plain design. Their functional approach was effective, but some design issues emerged. The switch to welding, while fast, could lead to structural weakness in cold waters, causing some ships to crack. These challenges prompted advancements in welding and metallurgy that improved future designs. Each Liberty ship carried the name of a notable American, such as Frederick Douglass and Jane Addams. These names represented a diverse range of historical figures and gave a unique identity to each vessel, symbolizing the collective effort of the war. Liberty ships transported essential supplies, from food and ammunition to vehicles and aircraft. Their role in delivering resources to Allied forces across multiple fronts was vital to sustaining the war effort. British Prime Minister Winston Churchill later acknowledged the significance of these ships in supporting the Allied supply chain. Today, a few Liberty ships remain as museum pieces, like the SS Jeremiah O'Brien in San Francisco and the SS John W. Brown in Baltimore. These ships are reminders of a large-scale production effort that contributed significantly to the Allied victory in World War II.